Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kai Styles. I'm super excited for today's video. I just got an order in from Ulta Beauty. And so we're gonna do a little unboxing today. I'm super excited. I've got some tried and true stuff in here, and then I've also got some new things. I've got the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. As you've been watching any of my videos, you know that I love the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer from ColourPop. So I decided to go ahead and try out the primer. And staying on the ColourPop brand, I also have 3 of the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Line Matte in the shade Between the Sheets. And these are the pearlized ones, or a highlighter, and they are in the shade Monster and Flexitarian. You guys know that I love the Laura Mercier setting powder. I use that regularly when I do my makeup. So I went ahead and I ordered some of her tinted moisturizer, and I also ordered some of her secret brightening powder for under eyes. Can't wait. And this is the NARS Matte Bronzing Powder. And then I also got a couple of the Morphe Times Jeffree Star brushes. So this one is the Point Blank Precision brush. And this one is the Fly High brush, which is a highlighting brush. That is it for that box. Let's go ahead and I'm going to do a look and try and incorporate all of these products today. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to do the look from today's Ulta Beauty unboxing. Did not get a lip. I did not get anything to do eyebrows. Oh, and I didn't get anything to do eyes, like eyeshadow. So I'll be using all of the products that we got, and then I'll be pulling a few things that I already have. To start out with a primer, and we'll be using that Pretty Fresh primer from ColourPop. This primer smells really good. It's got like a coconutty smell to it. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I'm going to use a damp beauty blender or damp sponge to apply this. And this is in the shade 2W1 Bisque. Hopefully this is a good shade match because I did buy this online, so we shall see. This product smells like sunscreen. It's a pretty good color match though. Just make sure you work that down the neck so that you have one consistent color all the way down. First impressions on this product, I don't care for the smell of it because it does have that sunscreen smell to it. It does blend out very nicely, and it does have kind of like a dewy finish. It really just kind of makes your skin glisten. NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, and this one is in the shade Creme Brulee. I'm just going to use that same damp sponge to blend that out. I do like how this concealer works with this Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. They blend together really nicely, and you can still see some of that luminosity even with the concealer. So next, I'm going to come in and set my under eye. And for that, we'll be using the Laura Mercier Secret Under Eye Brightening Powder. I'm gonna use like a fluffy eyeshadow brush to put this under my eye with. It says, using the camouflage powder brush, which I did not purchase, pat powder around eye area to set under eye concealer. Okay, seems pretty straightforward. Okay, so first impression, I am not impressed. This made my eye look super creasy already. I do see the brightening effect that it has, which is nice. But see how creasy my under eye looks, and I hate that. I hate a creasy under eye. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in the shade Taupe. I always like to start in the middle of my brow and work towards the outer corner. And I'm gonna come in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. For setting powder, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, so while that sets, we're going to come in and we're going to do our eyes. I'm going to be working with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I'm going to start with this shade Ginger. I'm going to work that into the crease of the eye. This is from the BH Cosmetics Crystal Quartz line. It's a number 10 brush. And I'm going to dip into this color called Credit. It's like a warm brown color, and I'm going to work that on the outer corner of the eye. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with this color, Soleil. I'm just going to use my finger to pat that onto the eyelid. Okay, now we're going to bring those same colors down to the under eye, so I'm going to dip back into Ginger. To dip back into that color Soleil. And I'm going to work that on the inner corner of the eye and underneath the eye on the inner corner. Now we're going to come in and we're going to take off that bake. Okay, so now we're going to come in and we're going to contour and bronze. So I'm going to use the NARS matte bronzing powder. Love NARS packaging, you guys. It's just so beautiful. I'm going to be using this Morphe M406. I love that like imprint on there. I think it's so beautiful when makeup brands do that. That is pretty. The shade of it is just perfect. Pinch my brush and take it outside my nose. Blush, the ColourPop Between the Sheets, the Ulta Beauty Blush Brush. Yes. I love the color of this blush, you guys. Okay, for my top eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Felt Tip Eyeliner in the shade Black. Okay guys, so this was just about the worst eyeliner I've ever used. Do not waste your money, do not buy it. I picked up a few things at the drugstore today because I always like to see if I can find some good like drugstore brands and things that might work. This is not one of them. sorry, Wet n Wild. I like some of your other products, but this is not it. So I switched to the NYC High Definition Liquid Eyeliner. So on the bottom, I'm gonna be using this eyeliner from ColourPop. It's the Cream Gel Liner, and this one is in the shade Get Paid. I'm gonna be using the Workout 24-Hour Mascara from Clinique. And highlight. The ColourPop Super Shot Cheek Pearlized in the shade Flexitarian. Whoa, you guys, this highlighter. I love this highlighter, you guys. It's beautiful. I'm gonna put on some of the Buxom Powerful Plump Lip Balm in the shade Big O. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Urban Decay Vice Lip Gloss. And this one is in the shade Physique. And these are actually pH reactive, so they give you a custom tone after a couple minutes. I'm just gonna set this down with some of the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. Okay, so let's talk about these new products that we used today. Starting out with the Pretty Fresh Primer. I like that, I love the way it smells. It seems to wear well, the foundation laid nicely on top of it. Pretty pleased with that. The Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. This is actually really nice, guys. A beautiful finish to it. Gives a very dewy glow. Very natural glow to the face, so it's really nice. I do not like the scent of it. It does smell like sunscreen, so if you're somebody that does not like products that smell like sunscreen, I would advise against this. But if you don't mind that, and you're somebody that doesn't like a really heavy full coverage product, and you want something to wear every day, this would be a really great product for you. The Laura Mercier Secret Under Eye Brightening Powder. So I'm pretty disappointed with this, you guys. I was really excited about this, and I may have had unrealistic high expectations because I love her setting powder so much, but this just wasn't it for me, guys. It does brighten, but as soon as I put this on my eye, it instantly creased underneath. And I'm using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, which I use on a regular basis, usually with this powder to set under my eye, and I don't have that problem. So it's definitely this powder that's a no-go for me. The NARS Matte Bronzer in the shade Vallarta. I love this, you guys. I'm a huge NARS fan anyway, but I just really love this bronzer. I feel like the color of it's very pretty. It's a softer bronzer, so it's something more natural and something that you can use daily. The ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Collection. Love both of these. The color of this is beautiful. It applied easily. It's a very nice blush. This highlighter I'm super impressed with. This is like one of the most dazzling, shocking highlighters that I have personally used. The Jeffree Star Fly High Highlighting Brush. I love this. I love the density of the bristles. I love how soft they are. I feel like it's perfect for applying a highlighter. I usually use something like this to apply my highlighter with. So this basically does the same thing, but it's a little bit bigger, gives you better coverage, lets you buff out a little bit better. So I really am impressed with this brush. I love it. I'm gonna keep using it on a daily basis. All right, guys, so that's today's finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Thank you again for joining me. If you want to keep seeing videos like this, please subscribe below. Go to my Facebook page, Kai Styles. Follow and like me there. And also on Instagram at stylesby_Kyle. Keep watching. I hope to see y'all in the next one. And remember, be true to yourselves, be kind to one another, and most importantly, be beautiful. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.